What's up, Ducks? In today's video, I'm trying on and styling Shein's fall and winter bottoms, skirts, shorts, and trousers. If you're wondering what's actually worth buying this season, then let's jump right in. Yeah, and before I begin, here are my size measurements. Let's see what's in the bag. First, we have solid color split hem skirt for autumn and winter that comes in a pack of 2. I paid only €9, and yeah, I have them in burgundy and black. Here are the product pictures. They look elegant and cute. So let's see what actually showed up. You don't belong here. Boom! Here are the skirts, a burgundy and black one. This one actually matches my top. So here's a closer look of the burgundy one and a black one. All right, now I'm gonna put them on and style them. Let's do that. So here's the skirt. This is the front, the side, and the back. Here's a closer look of the fabric. Yeah, I think it's pretty, and that's a really nice color for fall and winter season, I guess. This is the outfit that I came up with. Yeah, it's giving Parisian chic, doesn't it? Maybe it's because of the hat, I don't know. But yeah, this is the look, and this is how I would style a skirt like this and wear nowhere. It is a nice skirt. I like it. But there's also the black one that I want to put on. Boom! That's how it looks. Pretty much the same, it's just a different color. This is another outfit I would have nowhere to wear. I prefer the black one over the burgundy one, at least with this outfit. But both skirts are cute. This is it. Moving on to the next item. Okay, let's see what's the next item. Next we have solid color corduroy pleated skirt. I have this in color brown. I paid almost €10, and here are the product pictures. So girly, I love it. Okay, now let's see what actually showed up. Such a nice quality. Here's a closer look. I am very excited to put this one on and style it. So let me go ahead and do that. And this is the skirt and my schoolgirl kind of look. And I added a belt because it didn't come with such. And there's one thing that I really love about this skirt. Wow! It has underneath shorts, which means there's not gonna be any Marilyn Monroe moment. It's a really nice quality skirt, really. And it's really soft. I like that. This is cute. But in case I need to wear this outfit outside, I'm gonna put a coat on. Boom shakalaka. No, that's not what a schoolgirl would say. Right. Yo, what do you think of this entire look?
Kinda looks like you belong in a Harry Potter movie.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Cool.
Anyway, moving on to the next outfit, or should I say item. Anyway, moving on. This next skirt is a little bit different. It's a vintage elegant woman high-waist plaid skirt with pockets. Yes, I paid only €10, and here are the product pictures. It looks vintage and really elegant, so I'm excited to see what showed up. So this is the skirt, and here's a closer look of it. Quite thick, to be honest. All right, and it comes with a belt. Here's a closer look of the belt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go perfect with this skirt. Let's go ahead, put it on and style it. Now I look like school teacher. This is such a nice skirt. It has pockets, which is, by the way, really convenient. I have the skirt in size medium, so I would say it runs true to size. Go with your usual size. I never envisioned myself wearing something like this, to be honest. And I literally look like in the product picture. What a coincidence! I'm really loving it. It really makes me wanna wear these fake glasses just to complete the entire look. So comfy, so pretty, so uncomplicated. This is a really nice skirt. Yeah, I'm really loving this skirt. To be completely honest with you, I was skeptical. I did not think I'm gonna like it. But surprise, I ended up loving it. So, moving on to another item. Okay, next we have a skort, and it's Assymetric Hem Skort with handstuff print. I paid almost €7. Here are the product pictures. Again, looks really pretty. So let's go ahead and check it out. It is a skort. Good, just checking. Here's a closer look of the fabric. Again, it's quite thick. That's a good thing. I don't know how I'm going to style this one yet, so it's going to be interesting, but looks very cute. So much dust. All right, and yet here we have the skirts on. So here's the front, the side, and the back. Nice. Yeah, I have them in size medium. I would say they run true to size. The only thing I'm concerned about is the length. From the front, it doesn't bother me, but once I turn around from the back, they do look a little bit short, don't they? Again, I would say that's a really nice fabric, not see-through whatsoever, doesn't feel or look cheap. And if I had to wear a coat, then I would probably wear one sec. I'll show you. Here you go. I would wear a coat like this. I think this is cute. This is something my cup of tea. And I don't know, I like it. And these are really nice skirts. So I approve. Moving on. All right, now we are moving on to shorts. So first we have these high waist button front tweed shorts. I have them in black. I paid almost €7. Here are the product pictures. Again, looks really, really elegant. Yeah, so I'm excited to see what showed up. Not too bad, not too bad at all. Here's a closer look. Oh, very pretty buttons. And here's the back. That's how it looks. Now let's go ahead, put it on and style it. And here's how the shorts look on. They are really, really pretty. Here's the front, the side, and the back. Yeah, I do love the buttons. They are really, really pretty and elegant. I also love the fabric. It's not too thin nor too thick. It's a nice quality fabric. And of course, not see-through, which is a good thing. So I really love the shorts, although I wish they had pockets. But again, it's just a personal preference. It also has a zipper in the back, which really helped my butt to get into these shorts, because at first I thought I'm not gonna get into these shorts as they appear to be too small, but nope, that was just a false alarm. So here you go, mission completed. I'm in the shorts, and I would say just go with your usual size. So yeah, that's how they look, and this is my kind of outfit. Just a white turtleneck sweater, boots, and that's it. What else you need? Oh yeah, a coat if you go outside, especially during winter time. But I didn't have a coat to go with this outfit, so I thought less is more. Moving on to the next item. All right, my ducks. Next we have a herringbone print shorts. I have them in black. I paid almost €8. Here are the product pictures. I wouldn't call them black though. But anyway, that's what it says. So let's see what showed up. Lost my voice for a sec. Okay, so that's what we have. Here's a closer look. Yeah, cute, cute. Let's put it on and style it.
Hey, leave my Barbie alone.
Barbie, don't pay attention. Ta-da! And here are the shorts. That's how they look from the front, from the side, and from the back. Yeah, the fabric feels really, really nice and quite thick. So I think these are the shorts that are going to work even for winter. Yeah, and I really need to get a black coat. Because I don't... What is going on here? Excuse you. If you wanted to borrow something, just say. Where was I? Anyway, so yeah, I don't have a black coat, but if I had, this is probably the coat I would go for. And I really need to get one. And yeah. What is wrong with you, cat? Why do you have zoomies now? Take a chill pill, relax. Where was I again? Anyway, so yeah, these are the shorts. This is the look, and I like it. So moving on to the next item. All right, now we are moving on to bottoms. And here's the thing. I know I keep repeating the same thing all over and over again, but I am quite tall. So I had to shop from Shein tall, because what's the point for me to buy pants that are going to be too short for me? And then I'm just going to look like Milhouse Van Houten. So yeah, there's no point for me to buy short pants. So I had to shop from Shein tall. So let's see what we have for the first bottoms. Yeah, and first we have these wide leg sweatpants that I paid only €7. Here are the product pictures. They look very, very cozy, comfy, long enough, I hope. And that's it. So let's see what showed up. Aha. Hello. All right, so here are the sweatpants. Here's a closer look of the fabric. I'm gonna go ahead, put them on and style them. All right, ready to see the pants? Ta-da! Here's the full length of the pants, just as I wanted. That's why I love shopping from Shein tall. Here's how they look from the front, from the side, and from the back. And yeah, I am really, really loving the color, the vibe, the style, the coziness, the everything. And let's just pretend we are heading somewhere outside. I need to add a couple of items. A jacket, hat, and empty cup of coffee. But yeah, this is a very casual look for once you run some errands, do shopping and whatnot. Yeah, this is a really nice, cute look, and I am here for it. Yes, and I hope everyone else in this room is. So here's the look, that's how we look, and I personally like it. That's the way I would wear these pants. Anyway, moving on to the next item. Next we have these plaid print white leg pants that I paid almost €9. Here are the product pictures. Well, there's nothing much to say. Let's just go ahead and see what actually showed up. Okay, interesting. Come here, sit. Here's a closer look of the fabric. So it's not like the thickest fabric, but doesn't seem to be see-through, so no worries. And yeah, I like this plaid print. This is something different to my personal style, so let's go ahead and put them on. And yet here we have the pants on. That's how they look from the front, from the side, and from the back. I wish they were just teeny bit longer. But again, it's just my personal preference. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they look even better once they are steamed. But yeah, I have them in size medium. I would say they run true to size. I'm 172 centimeters tall, and that's the length of the pants. I personally like them. I don't love them, just because that I wish they were just teeny bit longer. The only thing it's missing pockets. Not sure if they go nice with these loafers, but I thought they will do. So yeah, this is the look. That's how I would personally choose to wear these pants, even for work. If this is something that is your cup of tea, then yeah, don't sleep on it. Go ahead and get them. But overall, they are nice pants. Moving on to the next one. Moving on to the next one. Let's see what's next on the menu. And next we have casual warm fitted distressed flare leg jeans for autumn and winter, by the way. I have them in black. I paid almost €20. So this must be the most expensive purchase of this haul. Here are the product pictures, and so it comes with that fleece inside. Let's go ahead and check them out. Oh, pretty sure these are going to be long enough even for me, from what I can see. You go away. That's how they look in real life. That's a closer look. So yeah, I guess that's the fleece. Here's that fleece inside of the jeans. Yeah, so something. And they have a little bit of a flare on the bottoms, but like a really tiny flare. That's cute, I guess. Or maybe not. We'll see. Let's go ahead and test it. All right, let's go ahead, test them out and style them. Let's see if I can style you somehow in a nice way. If the upper pants were a teeny bit short, these are a teeny bit long. Way long.
What is that?
I don't think they fit me. Yeah, and on this channel, I keep the things real and honest. So I'm gonna tell you this. I'm not feeling motivated to style these jeans. Just because that A, they don't fit me. B, I don't think they look nice. C, because of A and B. I know I could cut the jeans and make them shorter, but it's still the waist. It's very low, and I'm just not used to that. And just because that these are simply not, and yet again, this is my fault because I thought they are, I'm just not gonna keep them and wear them. If I'm not motivated and happy, I'm simply not. Overall speaking, these are okay-ish. It's just that they collect a lot of lint. Another con and reason I'm not going to wear and keep and style these jeans. It is what it is. We have what we have. All right, my ducks. So yeah, I guess this is it. In case you spotted something that you like, everything will be linked down below. I will also try to link the clothes I styled them with, in case you want to check them out. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please give it a like and subscribe. Give me love. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.